In this video, I'm going to show you how to deactivate Instagram account. So first, find and open Instagram app. Go to your account by clicking on your profile icon in bottom right. Then click on three lines in top right. Here select Settings and Privacy. In Settings, click on Account Center. Now scroll and find Personal Details. In Personal Details, click on Account Ownership and Control, then select Deactivation or Deletion. Select account you would like to deactivate. In this pop-up, select Delete Account and press Continue. Select something else and click Continue. Then enter your password and click Continue. And now we at last step, where you should select Deactivate Account. I hope this video is helpful. If it was, give it thumbs up and consider helping me reach 1,000 subscribers so I can make more tutorials. Thanks for watching.